Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Hey Google option into a Realme 9 Pro. Firstly, open your Google application. Then on the top right corner we got our Google account icon. Tap it and choose settings. Here choose voice, and here we got voice match option. And now last one, click here onto Hey Google on the switcher to activate this option. Now need give access to your assistant, click next, and I agree. And now we must say OK Google, OK Google, now Hey Google, and last one, Hey Google. And how you can see, Hey Google option is ready. Click finish. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.